it's me, Allegra. Babes, I thought I would hop on today with a makeup subscription box unboxing. This is for the Ipsy Creator Box and the Ipsy Glam Bag, so I can't wait to dive right in and see what's inside. I got it right here, so I couldn't wait to come and do a makeup unboxing with you beauties. And if it's your first time here, I do hope you subscribe and stay in touch. Join the fam. I have tons of giveaways going on, all kinds of fun stuff. I do upload 5 days a week, and I really hope that you'll subscribe and take part in all the fun. Also, if you like today's video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this Ipsy unboxing video. So guys, here it is. There is a ton of stuff in here. So in the creator box, you get the Ipsy Glam Bag, you get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then they also throw in some special goodies. So I'm so excited to see what's inside. It's super heavy. This is the February 2021 box, so I can't wait. So it is about sending love. All you need is a little love and a little lips and maybe a little lipstick too. That's so funny. Guys, make sure you're following Ipsy on Instagram. I'll have them linked below because they have tons of fun stuff going on, tons of giveaways, and all kinds of ways that you can get involved with the Ipsy Creator Studio and take part in all the fun. So, oh my god guys, look at this. I just spotted this when I looked down. Oh my god. This is so cute. Look at the back. It has the lips on it and it looks like a letter. Oh my god, this is so cute. You guys, this is another one. They always outdo themselves. That would look so cute as a clutch. I can't get over this. Oh, it says made with love. It looks like a stamp, but so like you got a letter. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. You know what I love about Ipsy? You get the makeup products, but you also get beauty products too, so I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh my gosh guys, they came out with a Glam Glow Bright Eyes. So this is an eye treatment, an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream from Glam Glow. Oh, I can't wait to try this because I'm so obsessed with everything from Glam Glow. I was just thinking the other day, I cannot believe how amazing their masks are, and I've been using their Glam Glow, it's a new moisturizer that they came out with. I've been using that when I wake up in the morning. I put it on at night. I wake up in the morning, my skin looks so amazing. But you could definitely wear it in the daytime too because it's an oil-free moisturizer. I'll try to insert a picture of it. Oh my god, it is so good. It's unbelievable. So I can't wait to try their eye cream now. And then let's see what this is. Eyeshadow Duo from Perfect Love You First. Is that the brand, Love You First? Oh my god, that's so pretty. So they sent this beautiful little eyeshadow duo, which is so perfect for on the go. Rose Gold and Ivory. It's called Love You First brand. So that's really pretty. That color is right up my alley. Here they sent a white matte fluid eye paint from About Face. So this looks so good. I love eye paints. I love the packaging. It's so soft. It feels like silicone. It feels really nice and soft. I guess it's an eyeshadow base. I want to put that on my lips. That looks like the most gorgeous color. So this is it right here, you guys. Wouldn't that be a gorgeous lip color? But this is actually eyeshadow base. So I'm really excited to try this because I love using cream eyeshadow, especially underneath your regular shadow. If on its own it's gorgeous, but if you put like another color on top, the effect is amazing. So I'm definitely going to be using that. Oh my gosh guys, they sent a MAC lipstick. This is a gorgeous red color. Oh my god. Sweet Sakura. I want to try this right now, you guys. I could really seriously put that on right now. I think I will. And then here is a Pore Perfectionist Refining Facial AHA BHA. Oh, this is like a mask, a facial mask. So you leave this on for 10 minutes, and like they said, it has AHA, BHA, so it's an exfoliating mask. I can't wait to use this. These nice size samples, they really do last a long time too because I really use them up and I get a good amount out, and then you know, I just love them. So here is a little tiny lip. This is from Bite Beauty. It's so small, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a red color. You know what? I don't think I've ever tried Bite Beauty lip before. I'm going to have to give that a try. But I'm just going to try this right now. This is the MAC Cream Sheen lipstick. I haven't tried a MAC lipstick in so long, so I really want to try this out today. And this red color, this is like $24 on its own, so that's a really great deal. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. You guys, that is so pretty. I don't think I've ever worn a MAC Cream Sheen. I don't know why. Maybe I have, I just don't remember. But it's so pretty because it's buildable, or you can wear it as like a sheer wash. But it's so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I feel like it's a very natural, wearable red. It's not too much. so you feel really comfortable wearing it. You don't feel like it's too bold. You guys, I love that color so much. Oh my god, I can't wait till we don't have to wear masks anymore, because I want this to be like my go-to lip. But you know, just to branch out, because I always wear nude lips, I would love to just get into wearing a red lip every day. So anyway guys, I think that was pretty much it for everything in my Ipsy glam bag. And then let me go ahead and see what else is in here. I'm so happy guys, it looks like there is some skincare, and I really need skincare. So this is a Universal C Skin Refiner from Beauties. So I can't wait to try this. This is a vitamin C serum that is said to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles and improve and firm skin tone. So can't wait to try that. I'm loving my skincare lately. And oh look guys, here is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Invisible Shaping Gel for Brows. I could seriously use this right now. Let me go ahead and give this a try, because I did do my brows and they feel a little naked because I didn't set them. So this is another product that I really will get a good use out of. So that's what's really great about your Ipsy box. It's all stuff that you really want to use and things like that. So I don't think I've used this before, but you know what I really like about using brow gel? It really makes the front brows kind of look more defined. It just makes your whole look much more polished. So love this. Oh my god, you guys, love it. Actually, and then after, a lot of times after I put on my brow gel, you go back in with your brow pencil and it just makes it stay better and look more. It just makes them look much more fuller and thicker. So yeah, I think that looks so much better. You know what it is? I just feel so much better when I have my brows just right. So guys, let me keep it moving. There is another skincare. Oh my gosh guys, this is from Dr. Brandt. This is so bougie. This is very, very pricey. Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Yes, I love masks so much. I'm like, this is so great. That's the great thing about the Ipsy Glam Bag. You're going to use everything up. Oh my god, I just saw something else amazing in the box. Okay, but let me finish looking at what this is. This is a deeply hydrating, moisturizes and reduces redness and reduces irritation, locks in moisture. Yes, I can't wait to use this. Oh my god, I'm so happy, you guys. And I don't know about this mask, but a lot of these kind of moisturizing masks look great under your foundation to wear during the day. You just put a little bit on and it gives your foundation the most dewy glow. I'm not sure if this is this type of mask, but it might be. As long as it doesn't have a lot of color and things like that to it, you could definitely try a mask like this under your foundation and it looks so good. So yeah, it's pretty light. I'll try it and then I'll get back to you and let you guys know. Oh, it has a really nice scent. It smells very luxurious. Oh, I love that. That's like the scent of high-end skincare, and I love that scent. It's like an aromatherapy type of scent. I love that. It just makes you feel so clean. Oh my god, my hands feel amazing. My hands actually feel amazing right now. They feel so soft. Wow. Yeah, you don't have to, a lot of times you could multi-purpose these skincare products, you know, use them in different ways than they are described as. Like this you could use as a hand cream. This actually feels so amazing right now, so you don't have to wear it only at night. You can put it on your hands, use it as a hand cream, use it as a daytime moisturizer if you want. It feels incredible, you guys. I'm not even joking. And the scent is amazing. So this is oh my god, my hands are so silky right now. It's crazy. That's amazing. I know I didn't use it on my face yet, but on my hands, that is amazing. So let me see what else we got here, guys. I just saw this when I was just talking to you guys, but look at this. I wanted this brush so bad, but I just didn't want to, I couldn't bring myself to purchase it at Ulta. But it is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. I tried this in Ulta last year before the lockdown and everything. Because now I guess you know you can't touch the makeup and things like that. But I went the other day to Ulta and everything was locked up. They were like, you can only look at it. So I don't know, but here it is. It is the Heavenly Foundation Brush. So like I was saying, I had tried this in Ulta 2019, I guess, not 2020, and I wanted it so bad, but it was, I think it's like $50, so, or something like that. Some, you know, definitely over $30, so I didn't wind up getting it. But OMG, I'm so happy they sent this. And I just love brushes like this with the angle, because then you can take your powder, well, you can use, you know, powder or liquid foundation with these, and you just it kind of hugs right onto your nose. And I definitely will be using this with my liquid foundation though. I can't wait. I love using a brush like this for my liquid foundation. I always do that now. And then, you know, maybe I'll go over it with a beauty blender kind of sponge, but usually a brush is good enough for me. I just love the effect of a brush. So they said this is anti-aging infused skincare infused brush hair, which is amazing. and it says it will improve the look of skin and it will blur the appearance of fine lines, pores, and imperfections. Oh my god, I can't wait. It says that each hair is infused with collagen and silk and peptides. Oh my god, that's no wonder it feels so soft. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. Oh, and they were saying, you know, even like your cream blush you could use this for. I can't wait. I almost wish I didn't have my foundation on so I could do it right now. But anyway, we'll do that tomorrow. So guys, here is one of their bags that they always include in the Ipsy Creator Box. They always put these beautiful kind of drawstring bags. So here it is. You're invited to a party. Oh my god. So here it is. Oh my god, it's a razor kit. Yeah, you know what guys, I'm obsessed with shaving. Or you guys, I just feel so good when I shave. If I don't shave, I don't feel clean, and I love shaving and feeling, it just makes me feel super clean. So this is amazing. They came out with a pillow shave cream and maybe even a razor blade kit. Oh, how beautiful, you guys. So this is a razor that they came out with, purple and yellow. Oh, it does have the really big blade head, which I love. A lot of times I buy the men's razors. Because I love this kind of head, the bigger head. It just, you know, they just feel so good on your skin and so smooth. I really love that too, because I usually just use a men's razor, and then sometimes my husband takes mine by accident. So now we're definitely going to know whose is whose, because this one is purple. So we'll know it's mine and he will stop using my razor, you guys. I can't stand it. So anyway guys, finally they sent oh, this is the shave cream. Okay, this is the shave cream that goes with the razor blade. So I can't wait to use this, guys. This is gonna look so pretty in my shower. Actually, you know what, I can't wait. I'm gonna go use this tonight. This is so beautiful. It says it leaves you feeling sparkling clean. It's a vegan, paraben free, sulfate free, gluten free, and they say lather up and it's a smooth ride. I can't wait to use this because I love taking showers and all that good stuff. And then they sent this other beautiful red and gold bag to put all your goodies in. So I can't wait, guys. I love it. It has the gold lips on it. So beauties, that's everything I got in my Ipsy Creator Box this month. So Ipsy is phenomenal. For my Ipsy review, I'm going to say it is definitely worth every penny. Whether you get the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, you are good to go. They have yet to disappoint. They always send high-end products and products that you actually really want to use. So beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my makeup subscription box unboxing. This was an Ipsy review for the Ipsy February 2021 box. So let me know if you beauties have gotten this box. I know I'm super excited to try everything out even more. That razor looks amazing. The shave cream, that Dr. Brandt facial, the sleeping mask. Oh my god, there is so much good stuff in this month's box. So I can't wait to play with it more. And I wanted to have a pop-up giveaway today. So if you'd like to be entered to win a 5-piece makeup mystery box, then just be a subscriber and comment below that you'd like to take part, that you'd like to be entered to win the makeup mystery box. So thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you beauties so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, I love you.